101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia. Welcome back to Smart Up Your Life in our third section for today. And I will go to Kaisan. So Kaisan, the same question as the previous speaker. Do you when your friend feel blue, how do you entertain your friend?
I will call him to restaurant maybe.
Okay, restaurant. Why restaurant?
And let him eating all of they want to eat. And after they get full, they will be sleepy
and forget the problem.
And forget the problem.
Really?
As simple as that. Or I will invite him to go to the beach to play football.
Beach?
Pitch. To play football.
Oh. Okay, what about that? I mean, your lovely one. I mean, how do you entertain your lovely one when she feels blue?
But don't get me wrong. I mean, my lovely one is not a woman. But okay, that's a question.
Not a woman?
Oh yeah.
Okay. Go on.
When let's say my wife's suffer feeling blue, I will invite her to talk together. What's the problem? And figure out the solution.
Wow.
But it's pretty hard if you are talking with a woman, right?
Okay.
And the best solution for her, just call her to shopping store.
Oh, okay.
And just choose one you wanna buy, and and all the problem is gone over.
Oh, okay. That's kind of interesting for.
That's the reality.
All of the single one here. Okay, so what about Kanahwi? So Kanahwi, when you see your friend get sad, how do you entertain them?
Well, I would say it's a tough question, especially for me, because I tend to not get involved when my friends got problems, because how to say I got different treatment actually.
Okay.
The moment when my friends, especially, they feel blue, and then they feel sad and etc. Probably the first thing that I do is not like directly showing my empathy or like directly asking the problem, what's wrong with you, like Miss Aya said before, but I give them time first. I give them time to solve their own problems.
Okay.
And then the moment when they need a problem, for example,
Need a problem?
Yeah,
Need a solution?
need solution.
Okay.
The moment when they need solutions, for example, and then they ask me like some kind of help. Probably, yeah, I will start helping them, of course. So yeah, I tend to not like directly involved with their problems, but only the moment when they ask for help, for example, or ask for solutions. Probably I will give them, because based on my experience, based on my perspective, not all of people, not all people like really like to be how to say. Not all of people really like to be empathized. For example, like not all of people really like to how to say to yeah, I may say like care, because some of people actually they really dislike when they look how to say they look pity. They really dislike it actually. So that I don't I don't directly help them, but the moment when they cannot solve their own problems, probably I will help them.
Okay.
I think
Okay.
that's all.
So when you're just, I mean, you will help your friend when your friend asks for helping.
Yeah, sure.
Oh, okay. So thank you very much, and I'll go to Ayu again. So Ayu, in your perspective, in your point of view, do you assume that people can avoid the sadness?
In my mind, in my opinion, I think people can avoid sadness
Why so?
because this is life, yeah. So in our life, something we face bad things, beautiful things. So when we feel bad things, of course, we feel sad.
Okay.
So it is feeling blue. And of course, I totally agree that we can avoid feeling blue.
Can or cannot?
Cannot.
Or cannot?
Yeah.
Oh, so all of the people will always feel the sadness.
Yeah, of course. Even they are still children. Yeah.
I mean, it's hard to avoid the situation. I mean, the sadness circumstance.
Yeah.
Okay, that's all.
That's all.
Okay, and what about Ka Brian?
Okay.
Do you think that people can avoid sadness?
Yeah, of course. Yeah, because our brother Nahwi say that before. We make ourselves feel sad, and of course we can change it by ourselves. And I can say that people can solve that problem by themselves.
I mean, also, I mean, I can conclude that your perspective is like sadness is just an option. Like if you want to go with, I mean, if you want to face the sadness, then you will face it.
Yeah, then you will face it.
Oh,
and,
okay.
And the one who can solve it is yourself.
Okay. Okay, thank you very much, Kak. And what about Kaisan? Do you think that people can avoid sadness?
Of course, because I believe that every problems that we perpetrated, it means that we can pass it, because all of those are counted by our lovely Allah Subhanahu wa Taala.
Okay.
Just enjoy your feeling blue, step by step, time over time. You can seeking for a solution and become tickle pink.
What is that?
Tickle pink is antonym of feeling blue. Yeah, and what else? Feeling blue is just it's not always bad, something bad, but it's also become something that triggers someone to raise up or to stress and unflagging. Yeah, as many famous people ever undergo the feeling blue. After that, they sow their the best effort and go to the fly. It means that they will they reach their best version of their self.
Okay, thank you very much, Kak. And what about Kak Nahwi?
Yeah, wait.
I mean, do you assume that people can avoid sadness?
Of course they can if they want, yeah. Like our brother Ryan said before, that actually it depends on ourselves. So the moment when we want to raise up, or the moment we want to get motivated again, it's all on your control. So it depends on you actually. But I wouldn't say that feeling blue is something that is not normal.
Okay.
It's something that normal, guys. It's something that normal. But the thing is, the moment when you always feeling blue, yeah, that's the moment when that is the thing that it's not normal actually. So it feels normal actually. But if it happens again and again continuously, I think you should motivate yourself lah, or probably ask someone or around you to get a help. And then like our brother said before, that feeling blue is something that could motivate us actually. It's something that make us raise again, facing the problems and etc. Not only that, I would like to add something. By feeling blue, actually sometimes we can understand the problems that faced by someone actually. For example, when the moment when we got some sad history in the past, and then we felt blue at the moment. So that the moment we can use to probably give advice to our friends that probably having the same problem. Yeah, and yeah, of course.
You almost mispronunciation.
Yeah.
Okay.
Having the same problems and etc. And then I think and then talking about this feeling blue, whether it's good or not, actually it depends on us how we articulate that things.
Okay, thank you very much, Kanavi. So this is perhaps the last question for all of you guys. But before we continue, we have commercial break for you, smart listener. Don't go anywhere. We'll back after the break section.